Congratulations, you look like an idiot. Mud man in a clean clothes. You can stop embarrassing yourself now, it's not funny. Yo, Keenan, sit down, man. What's wrong with this guy?
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Why is Keenan sitting next to that new girl?
He's cheesing me off. Like, I want to dump him. Like, holy, he just acts like a fool. You see how he dancing around in that class?
He's not that bad. It's that girl. She's the problem.
I'm gonna cuss her out. Just watch. I don't know who she messing with. Like, she thinks she's all that? She's not even that pretty. And she's so boring. Like, come on. I'm gonna beat her up. Just watch.
Let's do it tomorrow.
Hello, everyone. Take your seats, please. Take out your books and do page 45. Thank you. Yo, miss, I'm going to use the bathroom, alright? Just don't take long again, Keenan.
I want you to stay away from my man or I'll beat your face in. You don't know me. What? Your man? I don't want your man. Remember, you're new here. I can beat your ass. Beat my ass? Really? Over what? I don't want your man. Get over yourself. Yo, I don't even understand what you're saying. Speak English.
You can't just come to this school thinking you can take Nadia's boyfriend. Hi, Keenan.
Yo, Cassandra, what are you doing in the boys' bathroom?
I was wondering if you want to have a little fun.
Oh, yeah? But aren't you Nadia's best friend?
Let's go in the stall.
What, really? You want to do it here at school? Alright.
Anthony, you look like you're gonna freeze out, so give me a hug.
Yo, you know, allow me out here wait for you. Play school, you're freak, man. What you do? You look nice. I don't wonder if me and you could have talked about something. But I know you never want to come to your house because of your husband and thing.
Yeah, not a good idea, but we can go somewhere else if you want to have fun. There's this place where you can go sledding and skiing. You want to go? It's really fun, you know?
God, me long to do that.
Anthony, not outside, alright? Come we go, man. We can leave the city right now. May I drive? It's gonna be so fun. From when me want to do this with you.
Alright then.
Finally, some peace and quiet. Cause you're my Jamaican boy, more like my jam down toy. But trust you cause you give me joy. You up a good time like my employee. And I'm addicted to you. Need you more than a new pair of shoes. Oh, sorry, am I not supposed to be in here? Whoa, you're really good. I can leave if you want me to, if you want to practice.
No man, you're good. Actually, no, we're not supposed to stay in here. So, you're a singer? I mean, you kinda sing good.
You don't have to lie, I know me not sound good. You come from Jamaica? Which part of Jamaica you come from?
Kingston.
So I guess the guitar is specialty. You're practicing the piano now? I mean you're really bad on the guitar still. Wow, you're really talented, man. I mean, I can't even play one instrument, much less two.
I play more than two. I actually can play all the instrument in them. It's kinda, a special ability me have.
Ability make it sound like a superpower or something. By the way, my name is Diana.
That's what my mother used to call it, a special ability. When I look up, I never used to like play the instrument. They used to find them annoying, but that's what she used to get me to play it. Superhero, all that stuff.
That's really interesting. I mean, whenever I meet somebody who can play so much instrument, it's kind of attractive.
It good, man. Well, I like do it sometime, but she always want me to play, She want me to be something big in her life, go places, make money.
I can understand that. So how long now you live in a Canada?
Look a while now, but we go back and forth to Jamaica all the time. You know her or something? The first time I see her around here. I mean, most of the Jamaican kids them in northern school, yeah. Them don't even speak patois no more. Come like them change them whole identity.
Honestly, I haven't met one single Jamaican picnic since I come out of school here. You're the first one. But my God, for finally, I've something to come in with some. I mean, I haven't really met any friends or anything.
You'll get used to it. No worry. Like you singing. It's fun. Come on, let me hear you. You sing, me play an instrument. Just for fun, nothing serious. Alright? And plus, are we alone in here so you never feel no way? Come on.
Late at night when all the world is sleeping, I stay up and think of you. And I wish on the star that somewhere you are.
Shit, I'll build that. I have to leave, alright?
Wait. You know what? Tell me your name. Hold on there.
My name Louis. Eat some of the snow, it tastes good, don't it?
Why you do that for, Anthony? Alright, so you want to play? Hold on, man. Me I go get you.
That was really fun.
Come, we'll go skiing next.
Oh my god, boy! Rotted. Oi!
Anthony, wait for me.
Alright, stop it. I'm gonna stop this.
You bust your ass. You alright?
Yeah man, we can't stand up now. We're good. We can go to that sauna then, oh, me a freeze. So it's nice. At least everybody that's asleep, we can drink a beer in a peace.
Oh my god, Anthony, you're here.
Are you hungry? I made macaroni and cheese.
No, I'm good, man. I'm good. Just drinking this beer and I'm gonna go sleep.
Andy's asleep. I was wondering if you could.
Listen. I'm gonna really into them thing then, man. Yeah, my brother woman. I'm gonna do them something then.
Come on. I want to feel real Jamaican. Walk. Like a real nice buckshot. I love that.
Yo, I wanna go upstairs, okay? Anthony, why you have on your shoes? You know your mother not like them something there. Sorry, daddy, I'm just coming late. Not even realizing I have them on. Alright, man, I go see nothing. Just hurry up and take them off and come back and mop up the floor. Alright, man, I do that. Thanks, daddy.
still awake? Oh my god. You wanna have fun again? I hope you drank that Magnum this time.
Yeah, man, we can go all night.
Let's go.